Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. And friends, this is Pratik Srivastava here, and there is a good news here, friends. Tech Mahindra result is out. That means Tech Mahindra has started sending mails for the second round, those who are qualified. Okay, so friends, you just need to check your mail. So check your junk folder, check your spam folder. So you might get mail in any of the folders, so please keep checking. So there is no other places where you can check Tech Mahindra result. Okay, so it will come into your email. I will also show you how the email will look alike. But before that, friends, Tech Mahindra, so this is the mail what we have received, if you remember, right? So you have been invited to take the assessment or TechM fresher assessment online test. The duration of the test will be 3 hours and 42 minutes, right? So this is what we had received, and we had written the examination also. Now the link for the second round has come here. Friends, one more thing which I wanted to tell you. So many of the Telegram channel or YouTube channel, they are directly opening their channels so that a student can send their screenshot of the questions, and that's how the mass cheating is happening, and the talented people are not being selected in the hiring process. So this is one of the worst thing which we are coming across. And friends, what we are doing is, so we will always change the questions and the options when we will upload the video, and that is the reason we will mention content belongs to Online Study for You. Using in any format is strictly prohibited. We do not directly copy paste, so that a student will not get the options right, and then they will go and take in the exam. So there are few channels who are like who are not involved in all those things, but there are multiples who are doing that, and that's how the talented people are not getting selected, right? And we are completely not favoring all those things. Now friends, so after this you will be getting two emails, right? So one for, you can see, non-SDE profile, and one for psychometric test. So here we have, you have invited to take the assessment psychometric test. The duration of this test is 25 minutes. Before you proceed to take the assessment, we will need to check your system compatibility. So friends, I will also show you what kind of questions you will be getting in psychometric test, and then you will be having one non-SDE tech hiring, and that will be, the duration of the test will be 2 hours. So I will also tell you what exactly you will be going to face in non-SDE tech hiring. So watch the video completely till the end. Okay, so those who have qualified, you must be getting these two emails. Now friends, so this psychometric test, you keep it aside. Okay, so this psychometric test, you keep it aside, because this is just to read your mental state, or to read how much humorous you are. So we will have few questions on that, then you will be able to understand. The psychometric test is nothing like you have some problem and solution. So they will just check your mental state. Like they will ask you some questions, and based on your answer they will figure it out. Okay, this person is very much possessive, this person is very much conservative. So that kind of guesses they will have from your psychometric assessment. This non-ST tech hiring is similar to what we had earlier, right? Like numerical ability, reasoning, verbal ability, and coding will be there. Okay, so basically now the Tech Mahindra, two mails we have received. One is for non-SDE tech hiring, and one is for psychometric test, right? Okay, now let us go in a bit of non-SDE tech hiring. Okay, and then we will see psychometric test. So friends, we have total 12 sections. So okay, we have total 12 sections in that 2 hours. So we will be getting 2 hours time, right, for non-SDE hiring test. So in this 2 hours, total 12 sections will be there. So friends, first four sections, and then you will be having a code. Okay, and then you will be having the MCQs, and here we will be having your numerical ability. So here we will be having numerical ability. Okay, so again in detail I will be making the videos. So numerical ability, reasoning ability. Okay, and then friends, that means arithmetic, profit and loss, right, simplification, simple and compound interest, and friends, verbal will be also there. And then you will be getting a code, and then you will be getting 7 into 5, that many number of MCQs. So friends, this will be your deciding factor to get placed in Tech Mahindra. Okay, so non-STE 2 hours test will be there, 120 minutes. Okay, So friends, in the next video, I will definitely go into very much detail. So today we will see what kind of questions will be asked under that. Before that, friends, if you have not still visited our store, then do visit our store because we have released the Capgemini complete courses, new pattern 2021, TCS May edition is also released. And now we are running the live classes, Capgemini and TCS NQT aptitude and reasoning, and Capgemini and TCS coding. So 21 days, both are 21 days course, and both has started from yesterday. If you have still not joined, then do join because this is definitely going to help a lot. Okay, so friends, you can see one question from non-STE tech question. So an intermixed sequence of 11 push and 11 pop operation, the question has been changed a bit, are performed on a stack. The pushes push the number 0 through 9 in order, and the pop prints out the return value. Which of the following output sequence cannot occur with respect to the given scenario? So I have not put the options here. So these are the type of questions, and definitely we will be giving you all the questions, just rough idea how to prepare. So this will be the questions which will be asked in non-SDE tech question. Friends, your numerical ability, reasoning and verbal will be similar as how you attempted in the first round. And friends, psychometric test which will be there for 25 minutes, so you need to attempt both the test. Friends, now every company requires psychometric test, either it is Capgemini, it is TCS, it is Tech Mahindra. Okay, so you see the questions will be like, I will work efficiently in a team if my team members like me. Now it is not like, friends, if your team member is not like you, then you will not work efficiently. Now some people will tell untrue of me, so you are going to tell you will not be adjusted in a team where people are not like you, and you know all five fingers are not same, so definitely people will be different, but according to your answer they will judge you. Okay, so these are the options, and what options you select, so definitely you will be judged on that, your mentality, what you think, so all those things, right? I'll be motivated when I'm appreciated. That means if you are not appreciated, you will not be motivated, right? So if you are marking the answer right, that I mean you are giving the negative answers, then definitely you you will not be motivated when you are not appreciated. That is a bad thing in a IT company. I will be enthusiastic under competitive environment. So if the environment is not competitive, you will not be energetic. So all this kind of questions you have to answer very much in a proper way. And friends, we also have done the videos on the psychometric test, right? So you can watch our YouTube channel, and even I will be putting the video link here. I'll be motivated to work under cooperative environment than competitive environment. So if you'll take yes, the answer will be yes, no. So it depends upon the question, your answer will be also options will be also different, right? Okay, so you have to see, always you have to give the positive answers so that they will feel okay, so you are a person who will be adjusted in any kind of team, any kind of environment. Okay, I like to participate in informative social conversation. Yes, so this, yes, some people will tell no, I don't want to. See, if the conversation is informative, then definitely you should join. So like this, it will represent total your mentality. So there will be many people will be there who does not want to be socialized. See, there will be many people who does not upload the photo on Facebook, Instagram, but there are many who will be using mostly Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp. So there will be many people who will be putting daily 10 status on WhatsApp. So these are all shows like our mentality, and this is what is going to test in the psychometric test. So friends, you would have got an idea, and definitely I'll be digging more into each and everything. So for timing, so congratulations all of you, those who have got the second round email. Thank you, friends.